What are you gonna do? How are you gonna get off there? What do you want? You want the ball? You want the ball? Get down and get it. Get down and get it. No, you get it. You get it. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. If you sit down, you can climb off. Good boy. Good boy. Sit down. You're stuck. Rocco, sit down. You got up there. You can figure out how to get off. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Good. Muy bien. Sit. Sit down on your bum. You got up there. Okay, how about if you say down? You want to get down? Down? Okay, I'll help you. Come on. There you go. Rocco, put your foot down. You're being so funny. Okay, hold on. There. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy, for saving me.